Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are an already existing subscriber, I just want to say thank you guys for staying tuned and coming back to view more content. So today's video is going to be about my weight gain goal and journey. I have actually reached my goal. Like, I'm a 143, and oh my god, like, I never thought I was gonna, I never thought I was gonna be more than 15 pounds, before I started this weight gain journey. So, anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get straight to the details about how, I basically reached my goal and the things that I did to reach my goal. Just make sure my camera is focusing because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. All right. So, anyways, yes, your girl is 143. Okay. I get thick, where else down. But anyways, okay. So it wasn't easy. I must say it was not easy. You really have to be consistent. And speaking of consistency, like, to maintain your appetite, to basically want to put on more pounds and eat more calories. The medication that I was taking was from the weight gain zone. It was just the pill form of apetamin, and I was taking those pills about 3 times a day before each meal, and I was also snacking in between, regardless if it was like a yogurt or protein bar or maybe a sandwich, oatmeal, something like that. Now, I can't say that my journey was 100% like just healthy foods, because I did spend quite a lot of money on fast food, just because, I'm usually always on the go, and it's just more convenient to grab something while you're out. But like, if I was to go grocery shopping, like, which I do once a month, I go grocery shopping once a month. I would basically focus on like high protein meals and snacks that basically is a little bit more on the healthier side, because you don't want to put on too much unhealthy fat, which could go to like the stomach, basically, like places that you don't want to gain weight. So I try to stay on the healthier side once I grocery shop, and then if I'm out and about, then of course I grab something. But I try to kind of like balance it, so I'm not doing too much of the fast food. Now, as far as the things that I ate, basically, like I said, I ate 3 times a day. I snacked in between, and from time to time, which I was not 100% taking a shake. I wasn't taking a shake every day, but I tried to stay a little bit. If it wasn't every day, it was every other day, and I used basically the whole milk, and the shake that I was using was the Serious Mass protein powder. Now, this is just one that I haven't opened. They had a sale. I think it was buy one get one half off or whatever, and this is 1,250 calories per shake. So if you have one of these shakes a day on top of 3 meals a day, then you're definitely getting more than enough calories for that one day, specifically to basically gain weight. And I did go off to like it was another brand of protein shake, but I tried it once, and I really didn't like it as much as I like this one. So on top of taking the apetamin on top of eating 3 meals a day and snacking in between. I was also doing a shake every now and again. And right now I'm kind of trying to determine if I want to stay on the medication or not, and see if I can basically maintain the 140. Actually, I want to put on like a couple more pounds just in case I kind of, drop a couple of pounds. I was thinking maybe 150 or 160. And I want to go ahead and like start vlogging for you guys to show you once I start working out. Now I have started working out, but it's not as much as I feel that I'm gonna start doing once I'm like satisfied with the weight. But I have been doing a little workout routine here and there just to kind of maintain the weight, keep it, proportion to my body size. Like I said, you guys, I'm gonna try to get to 150 or 160, and I'm not quite sure if I'll basically, documentate that as much as I did the 140, because that was generally my, my goal to reach. And I'm gonna go ahead and start vlogging for you guys once I start working out. I'm gonna try and get some type of gym membership just to get a better workout. And I will be inserting some clips and photos of the results of me being from 114, 115 to 130. I'm sorry, 143. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I just want to say thank you again for subscribing. So I'll see you guys until next time, and I won't forget to insert some pictures and maybe a couple of clips of how the weight looks right now on me. So see you guys into my next video.